everyone, I'm Rose, and today we're going to be making a delicious frozen fruit yogurt bark. Okay, to start you're going to need a small sheet pan. You're also going to need a large container of vanilla low-fat Greek yogurt. If you prefer, you can use regular yogurt as well. You'll also need some type of fruit. I've got strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Okay, we're going to start by mixing our yogurt in the container. And I have placed a piece of parchment paper on my cookie sheet pan so that it doesn't stick. We're going to pour our yogurt in here and spread it out evenly. You can make your bark as thin or as thick as you like. Today I'm going to be making a thick bark, so I'm using the whole container. Moving on to the good stuff, I'm going to start by laying these strawberry slices on my yogurt, making sure that I push them slightly in so that when they freeze, the strawberries will stick to the yogurt. Next, I'm going to start adding my blackberries on here, and you can add just about any type of fruit you like. One suggestion would be to add some pineapple chunks with shredded coconut, kind of making it a bit of a pina colada type bark. You can also use bananas, kiwi, whatever you like. You can't go wrong. Now I'm going to start adding my blueberries on here, and I like to add a lot of fruit because I like to be able to taste my fruit in every bite I take. Last, we want to add some chocolate chips, and since I'm trying to go a little healthier, we're going to be using dark chocolate. This will also add a little bit of sweetness to it. We want to go ahead and freeze this for about 2 to 4 hours until frozen. It's been a few hours and our yogurt is nice and frozen. Now we want to go ahead and cut these with a knife in square pieces. Sometimes it can be a little difficult cutting with a knife, so you might have to use a little bit of muscle. If you can't cut them, you can always just use your hand and break them off. They're pretty simple to break into pieces. Once you're done cutting your squares, I like to use these small snack-sized Ziploc bags to store my squares in here. I like to just grab and go. You may need to also use sandwich-sized bags depending on how big your squares are, or you can use a gallon-size freezer bag and store them all in there. And if you notice here, my bark is pretty thick. I like it nice and thick. And let's give this a taste test. So good. What a great, healthy, delicious snack you can enjoy.